Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys, welcome back to my page. So guys, this is Erica Love Simple Cooking guys, and so today guys I'm gonna make some pinto bean. So guys, I'm gonna make some pinto bean, macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna make some chicken and beans guys. So this is the chicken guys. The chicken I had, this is my freezer. So I already cook a part of it and I keep the rest in the freezer. I season it up and keep it in the freezer. So guys, I'm gonna cook this with the beans, and then I'm gonna cook the lentil by itself. All right guys, watch the process guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna put some salt and stuff, prepare the water to make the macaroni. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to put some salt in the pot for the macaroni. I'm going to put some pink salt. Not too much salt guys, I do low sodium. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my lentil guys, so I will be back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put some salt in the lentil. Water, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some coconut oil in this pot for the chicken. And so guys, the rest of the video will be silent.